Hello everyone, welcome to CADD Nest and I welcome to Teacher's Tip. And I'm Pavitra. In this video, I'm back with another tip for teachers. And are you a teacher teaching students that is in this pandemic situations, that is online classes? And you have to learn more of the technology to teach students in an effective way. And are you worried of creating files and sharing the files to the students and making them learn easily? So I have a tip for you. Stay calm and wait until I give you solutions for this problem. So I have a tip which will make you create new files in an attractive way and send them to your students and make them learn easily and also quite interestingly. So let's get into that quickly. All you have to do is get into Google and Microsoft Suite. So this will save your life, guys. So get into this link, and in this link, so I have to create files. Creating files on Word and sending that to students might be a problem in storage, even for you and also for the students. Instead, think of creating informations through a link and sharing them to your students or anybody who is willing to access that. So let's get into that. So here I can go for creating a file and start from a topic. I'll start from a document. So I'll get into the create. We have way more options to learn in this. At the beginning, it is asking for the title. You can give a title and I'll go for CADD Nest as my title. If you want to give any of the background image for this, you can go for background image. You can select the image that you have to give. So if you want to choose any one of them out of this available image, you can choose. I will get into my PC and select the image for this. So go to my device and select the image that you have to insert into this. I'll get into this one. I'll select that. It will get loaded into this place. And next to this, if you want to add any contents relating to the information that you are writing, just click on this plus button, and if that is heading, select the heading. I'll get into this heading and later I'll fill this. I'll go for the text later and I'll paste the information that I have to write next to this. I'll write down as about us. So I have written this. So I'll be selecting this inbuilt image. And later on this, I'll give the next informations. I'll go further to add some more topics. Add the text. Along with this, if you want to add any of the images, you can go for that. And this is a view. If you want to give a broader view, you can give a broader view, or a narrow one, you can go for narrow one. It's your choice. And again, here, have to insert one more image relevant to this. In the search engine, you can go for giving a keys so that relevant to key, whatever the images are there, it will help you out with that. You can select any one of them out of it and drag that into your file. So done. So I'm done with designing or inserting the content I have to write into my web page. So I'm done with this. To have an idea, we'll get into this play so that it will give me a visualization as how does it looks in my web. When you share a link, how does it will be visible to the other person. So this way you can share the information through the links wherein the students enjoys learning accessing it. And if you want to edit, you can go for editing it again. Or if that is okay or well enough, then you can go for sharing it and you will get a link which you can share it to the others who can access it. And here the option I have taken is anyone with the link can access this suite. And copy this link. I hope you know how to share this link to the other person. I hope you people have learned something, and thank you for more of the updates. Keep watching our channel. Until then, bye. See you again. Thank you.